Hey, how's it going, everybody? So this is Curtis with Roadside Guy, once again showing you a video. Today we're going to do a tire change on a 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500. Got a back flat tire. So this one is a 3/4 inch socket. You're going to want to set the emergency brake, which is going to be in the center right here. Go ahead and pull that lever up, and we'll come around to the passenger side door, which is where we're going to get our tools to lower the spare tire. So in this little foot compartment, you'll let this down and you'll pull this stuff out. See if I can get it out with one hand while holding the camera with the other. I don't think it's in here. This should be, yeah, it's not that. So it's definitely down in here. Good thing they make the styrofoam nice and tight. Alright, so I actually don't see anything besides the jack in there. I'm looking for maybe it's just a 3/4 inch bolt head that's in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to the back, open the doors all the way up so they won't fall back and hit us. This one keeps wanting to come back. Go all the way back with that. Okay, so once you have your back doors open up, get a little pocket knife or butter knife or something, and this little, if I can get my tool out of my back pocket, this little tool that I'm going to use is just like a little prying tool. But you're going to pry this little plastic piece up in the back here. Well, it's not going to be that one, so put that one back. Oh, that's right. On this Mercedes, it's actually going to be one here and one here. Now my memory's coming back to me. Okay, so we have two 3/4 inch bolt heads that are here in the back, right? So that means for me, I'm not using the factory jack, so I can put this jack back where it goes. I'm not going to be using anything out of that kit because I have my own floor jack. So go ahead and put that back. Perfect. Okay. So what the hell? Okay, good. Alright, so we'll come to the back here, and we're gonna lower this, and there's a cradle underneath that's gonna hold the spare tire in. So for me, I'm gonna use my socket and my impact here, and I'll come to the back and loosening the bolt. I'm going to loosen it just before it drops completely out of what it's held into. You can kind of feel it getting loose. And if I remember, we don't want to take these bolts out completely. I just kind of want to let it hang. And what that should have done is dropped a metal cradle that holds. This ground is hot today. Alright, so it drops this little hook down that's right there. See that hook and see that hook? And what we can do is get off this hot pavement because it's burning my legs up. And we're going to lift and push out. That's all you got to do. Just lift and push out. You do it with one hand. Okay, so again, on the hook here, we're going to lift and push out. And then this, now it's completely loose, the tire is, so we're just gonna drop it. Boom. There goes the spare tire in the cage that holds it in the back, right? So now, if this if this stepping plate here isn't too low, you can try to drag it out. You just reach up through here and try to pull it. Grab the tread, just kind of lift it, pull it a little bit. I don't know what this thing is that's just dangling down there. I guess that's they're towing something. Alright, and then you just kind of gotta work this thing out because there isn't a lot of room. And there you go. You've just given birth to a spare tire on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Congratulations. So, go ahead and move that a little bit out of our way. And we're gonna take this cradle here again. We're gonna lift it back up. And we're gonna push that hook back in until